Ooh, people, all right. So this is a crazy, crazy topic. All right, so let me just touch on it quick and fast. Before we do anything, people, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. So, today I was on the road, Generally, me I walk around the. Some buck up on somebody. Somebody generally watch the program. Them I say, boy, MG, I beat things that go on with the JFF and I beat the JFF and this and that and rate it. The little type blues, the man say, MG, I'm have to beat it, And I say, what go on, what me do now? Man say, boy, how me not hear you say, them for ban the JFF and FIFA for step in and ban football and just restart the program and this and that. And me I say, yo, really? Me I say, blouse and skirt. Yo, me say, that crazy people, like really, really crazy. So, apparently this is not the first, he's not the first person to actually come to me with that perception and or that perspective of things. And I find it very, very, extremely interesting why there's a need to go to that length. I find it extremely interesting. No, first of all, let me tell you something, people. Where corruption is concerned, where football and like the head pinnacle of football Jamaica in the world is concerned, where corruption is concerned, people want to take a look. I want you to take a look, people. Now, where the associations, the relative country associations where football is concerned, I wanted to also take a look. I.e., one of the players who idolize most, even me, because I know what I go on. A lot of persons idolize the English FA. People, let me tell you something, people. It's crazy. It's really, really crazy. Those who know, do know. Those who don't know, why, unfortunately, please try and get to know. Anyways, I'm not necessarily here to discuss that. I'm here to discuss the reason why you will you'll never hear me get up one day and said FIFA should step in and ban Jamaican football. You will not hear that from me. One, I know the implications of what a ban can do to football in Jamaica. Two, many persons who are calling for a ban or FIFA ban on Jamaican football don't understand the in-depth, let me say that, in-depth aspect of how far that ban can go. FIFA literally control the amount of aspects of footballing criteria which is necessary, needed to implement a ban. Then now, if a ban is being implemented, FIFA can go as far as to the grassroots level. Said no football at all. Some people wanting to think about it. Wanting to really think about it, right? Now, I'm a person like this, right? I'm in Jamaica, and this is what a lot of persons going to say. The reason why, one of the reasons why I'm not advocating for a ban is because it's going to stop my work or me I do. I now get to go to match. I now get to go to get the media pass to go match. I now get to go for this and that rated. And I mean I get to do the YouTube video to make the money. I mean I say, technically no, because really and truly, for those who know me personally, would definitely know that I'm highly qualified, extremely qualified, where me can go look at a lot of different types. We can do a whole lot of different type of work, people. In some me even apply for some, me can even apply for some work and get turned back because I'm overqualified. Now, besides that, so me, football ban, money, me not worry about that. My sincere worry is the young players that I've been looking at for the past 3, 4, 5 years, and the players that are trying to get something out of life and trying to do something with themselves, trying to look the opportunity to make something of themselves. That's what I'm looking at. And because of person's emotional feeling, first of all, people have said, boy, the JFF has stopped the progress of football. Fine. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to disagree to that. But what you think a FIFA ban is going to do? Some person are going to say, boy, the ban are going to push them back. Ban are going to stop it for 4, 5, 6 years if possible. 2, 3, 4, any in the region there. Any amount of years in that region. And they can restart from that. And let me tell you something, people. It's not so easy to just restart from that. What technically happens sometimes is when a ban is being implemented, if you think we are 30 years back, That ban is going to possibly push you 70 years back. 70 years. So think about it now. And what is going to be put in place to bridge that gap there, jump it? Because at the end of the day, them still have got to put in football-minded people from within the region forget the ball a roll. So people, this is what I want you guys to do. I really want you guys to think about the issues. Think about the issues and think about the implications of a ban. Do some reading, do some research. Try and find out if a ban is put in place, to what extent does this ban go? And what are the implications based off the extent that this ban would go to? Then now, think about the hundreds, the thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands Jamaicans within Jamaica right now who at least want to collect 10,000 a week, or 15,000 a week, or 20,000 a week because of football, where they can put food pan and table. Where they can put food. Me talk about the players them now. How much hundreds of thousands of players you think this is going to affect? And people are going to say, boy, so much players in Jamaica. Best believe it. The amount of football that is being played in Jamaica. Think about the livelihood that this is going to take away from people who are football-loving people. Then now, guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to turn the TV on every day. I watch English Premier League. I watch the leagues them overseas. Guess why? Because nothing now going on in Jamaica. Because we are now put on a break, put on a pause. So people, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful for what you ask for. Extremely, people, sometimes we are so eager to get certain things. Sometimes, really and truly, you think you want it, and in truth, when you get it, you're like, whoa, I never knew. I would advise you guys to speak to the Trinidad FA. Get if you can get to someone in the India FA and find out just a small cinch of what happened or how things went down and what it have done to their footballing program. And ask if it has significantly made their program better. It would be really, really important for you guys to do that before you come to me, where I love football, and ask the question. People, it's very, very important that you look into these things. And if you guys think a ban and the JFF is going to make it necessary, fine. I can't change your perspective on that. But what I can say is, please get some research done and understand. Please understand, people. Please understand the implications of what that might do. And don't just breeze over what me say. So, the little man will come run to me and say, rush me. See me do one video upon it. See me finally do one video upon it. If a 50 persons in a JFF, think about the 50 persons in a JFF and how many families in the Jamaica who's going to get hurt because of the 50 person. Because we are technically over emotional. And let me tell you something. If you think them bad, go cross over the African countries. Yeah, me know that we're not them. Go cross even some of the first world countries, and you will see where corruption lies. Me not gonna say JFF is good and good. Me not say that. And me not gonna say them are the worst either. And me can agree that them are the world of foolishness. But let me tell you something. If warrant a ban, FIFA go do them thing. But if it don't warrant a ban, why people, everybody keep on emphasizing, get the ban. What is there to gain? Is there something different to gain from it? What is there to gain? Anyways, listen, people, me don't know not much about football. Me not bright. But what I do know, what I tend to do a lot is research. And I try to find especially topics I can touch on. And I would really implore you guys, go and do some research on that particular topic. If you will understand. You will understand the causation. Me there on use them every day, especially the kids them who aspire to become the next Leon Daly, the next Shamar Nichols, and these things. And I really don't want to see a 4-year ban and some of these players who are 14, 15 miss out on that opportunity because during that time period when they banned it, they couldn't get a move to any European clubs and couldn't get a move outside of Jamaica solely because there's a ban there. I really don't want to see those players missing those opportunities, those college scholarship opportunities, and I don't want to see players missing out on that. But if you guys think that's the best thing to do and mash up the youth and future, Because when you say right, basically when you say youth and future mash up already, right? That's what I want to say. And hundreds of youths are go on scholarship and something there. Hundreds of youths are go on scholarship in the US and in place if you go play football and something there. And if you don't think that I mash it up, well, let's see what the band is going to do. If you guys think that's the best way to go about it. Now, send more upon the people, as I say, people, I'm not bright. This is a little much I can offer you guys. This is a little much I can touch on the topic. I don't want to stay upon the topic here. Football, me deal with it. Big up on yourself. So all that people who keep on call me. I'm not call a name. So what people are calling me, I tell me, say, MG, this, that, rated, ban this, ban that. People think, yeah? Anyways, big up on yourself, people. I'll see you guys again. Take care of yourself, people. God bless. I'm out. Boom.